Is the boom of the global anti-aging industry a reflection of ageism, sexism, and misogyny, or empowerment and freedom of women? The anti-aging industry has seen a meteoric rise in recent years, becoming a global phenomenon. Its growth is fueled by a variety of factors, including advances in science, the relentless pursuit of beauty, women's economic freedom, and an enormous societal pressure to remain youthful. Critics often argue that this industry is a manifestation of societal prejudices such as ageism, sexism, and misogyny. They contend that it reinforces harmful stereotypes and pressures women to conform to unrealistic beauty standards. On the other hand, proponents view the anti-aging industry as a symbol of women's empowerment, allowing them the agency to redefine beauty and age on their own terms. As we dive deeper into this discussion, consider the complexity of these perspectives. The industry, worth billions, thrives on the societal fear of aging, especially among women. It feeds into the narrative that youth equals beauty, worth, and desirability, while aging is a condition to be feared and battled. Women today do not hesitate to go under the knife or seek expensive and invasive procedures to reduce basic signs of aging, like wrinkles or freckles. This incessant focus on youth and beauty can be argued to be a form of societal prejudice, one that coincidentally profits the industry. Furthermore, the anti-aging industry often targets women more than men, subtly reinforcing the idea that a woman's worth is tied to her youth and beauty. This can be seen as a manifestation of sexism, where women are held to higher standards of beauty and youthfulness compared to men. Even women who consider themselves empowered are not immune to these societal pressures. They too may internalize these ageist and sexist notions. So when they choose to look younger with the help of invasive treatment, it becomes hard to discern whether their actions are driven by personal choice or societal conformity. It's a complex interplay between personal philosophy and societal expectations. However, it's important to note that the industry isn't just about creams, makeup, and surgeries. It also includes health and wellness solutions that promote healthy aging. But the question remains, to what extent is the industry promoting wellness, and to what extent is it capitalizing on societal prejudices? However, some argue that the anti-aging industry is a reflection of women's empowerment. It's a perspective that paints the anti-aging industry not as a predator capitalizing on societal prejudices, but as a provider of tools that enable women to take control over their own appearance. In today's world, women are breaking barriers across various fields. They're leading nations, heading corporations, and making groundbreaking discoveries. So why should they not have the freedom to choose how they age? The industry, some argue, merely provides a platform for this choice. It offers a range of products and services that women can opt for if they wish to maintain their youthful appearance. It's about choices, about control, about asserting one's autonomy over one's body. It's about deciding for oneself what aging should look like. So, through this lens, the anti-aging industry isn't imposing ageist or sexist views. Instead, it's empowering women to define their own narratives of aging. As we can see, it is a complex issue with no clear-cut answers. It's a puzzle, a tug-of-war between societal prejudice and women's choices. Is it a manifestation of ageism, sexism, and internalized misogyny, where women choose to commodity themselves? Or is it a beacon of women's autonomy and financial freedom? Unraveling this intricate web is no easy task. The answer may lie somewhere in the middle, reflecting both societal norms and individual choices. In conclusion, while the anti-aging treatments and surgeries offer opportunities for women to assert agency over their appearance and well-being, they also raise concerns about perpetuating existing ageism, sexism, and misogyny. It is imperative to critically examine the societal norms and expectations that underpin the beauty industry, while acknowledging the nuances and complexities surrounding individual choices and motivations. Ultimately, efforts to challenge harmful beauty standards and promote inclusivity and self-acceptance are essential in fostering a more equitable and empowering society.